The tale of human evolution is filled with twists and turns, and one of its most fascinating chapters involves the ancient Neanderthals and our own species, Homo sapiens. Picture the scene. Dense forests and rugged caves serve as the backdrop for small familial groups of Neanderthals, their days filled with hunting and survival. In contrast, imagine the bustling groups of sapiens, their numbers large and their social structures complex, preparing for an inevitable interaction with their prehistoric counterparts. As sapiens gradually advanced into the edges of the territories of Neanderthals, they mixed, introducing their Y chromosomes, which began to disseminate through the smaller, more isolated groups of these ancient hominins. This mixture is reminiscent of the differences between lion and tiger populations. Lions have evolved runaway competitive growth due to their large group dynamics, and in turn, lionesses have evolved genes to suppress this growth in order to help smaller cubs reach adulthood and increase the overall success of their reproductive strategy. Female tigers have no need to evolve such a suppression for growth, which means when a male lion and female tiger reproduce, the resulting offspring experience supersized growth. In a scenario where lions represent sapiens with their larger group dynamics, and tigers represent Neanderthals with their more solitary lifestyle, it's not unreasonable to think a sapiens and Neanderthal hybrid may result in a similar size increase of their offspring. Envision tigers in the vast expanse of Europe suddenly confronted by the arrival of lions, bringing with them a supersized gene and a different social dynamic. Under such circumstances, the larger, more competitive lion-tiger offspring could easily dominate the local tiger populations, leading to a hybrid's proverbial sweep-through, where lion Y chromosomes become overwhelmingly influential. Is this the cause for the legends of Nephilim, and the reason why sapiens' Y chromosome sweeps through Neanderthal populations long before sapiens invade their territory? The differences in social structures between these species provide additional insights into their respective fates. Neanderthals, with their small groups, lacked the evolutionary incentive to evolve a size suppressant gene, an incentive afforded by larger communities of sapiens and the size competition within these communities. Eventually, as these interactions played out, and these Nephilim completed their sweep through the population, wiping out competitors, the Neanderthal mitochondrial DNA began to fade, with any sapiens mitochondrial DNA demonstrating its superior compensation to this runaway growth. Sapiens and Neanderthal population dynamics echo the earlier scenario of lions and tigers, where hybridization creates a temporary advantage for the larger lion offspring, which is then beset by the following disadvantage of an overall smaller population in total. The consequences of this gene flow led to a new equilibrium, one where big group dynamics fostered adaptations that would render Neanderthal traits nearly obsolete or entirely lost. As sapiens progressed, they inadvertently scripted the end of an ancient lineage, slowly encasing Neanderthal DNA into the legacy of humankind, their story quietly intertwining with ours.